Chapter of statistical data, let's take a look at checkpoint 13.2 part A. Okay, the table shows the amount X spent by some families at a shopping mall over a particular weekend. So use the class intervals of 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and so on. Construct a frequency table for the data. So frequency table is constructed in this manner, okay? This is how the example has shown. So do the same thing. Okay, maybe I will just put it by the side so it's easier for you to do a comparison as well. Okay, so I'll have mass. Alright, sorry, not mass. Let's not copy that already. I'll say the amount spent. Okay, which is you must write a units X. Okay, this is your tally, and then this is your frequency. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll have 50 is to X 60, 60 is to X 70, 70 is to X 80. Do I have anything above 80? Yes, 80. Above, I have 90. Okay, then 90 above 100. Alright, so I'll draw my lines. Now, how many do I have? I would have, okay, again, I'll take 51. Anything else with 5? I have 2. Okay, starting from 5, I will have 2. So 1, 2. Okay, so frequency is 2. Again, I'll check. So my total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 by 5. So total is 35. Can you see? Okay, then after that, I will highlight. Yellow would be 60 to 70. So 65, 67, 66, 69, 60 to 70, 62, 63, 68, 62 here. Okay, so what is the total I'm looking at? Alright. Total I'm looking at over here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 9. Okay, then what is the one for 70 to 80? Okay, so what will I do? I'll change the color. I'll take blue. 70 to 80, I have quite a fair bit. Okay. Alright, so 70 to 80 is what I'll have. Oh, sorry, 55, there is another one. I saw it. Okay, so let's take blue. It's my blue pen. Right? Okay. My blue pen is here. Okay, so there should be another one, which means that this frequency should be a 3. Okay, then what happens is I have my blue one, which is 70 to 80. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 11, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 11 here. Okay, then I have 80. Alright, I have 80 to 90, which means I have 85, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80 over here, 80 over here, 80 over here, 85 over here. Okay, so this gives me, alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So you have 8 here. Then lastly, you have 90 to 100. So this one I'll give you a grid. Okay, 90 to 100. So 90, there is 2. Okay, there is 2 over here. 100 on its own. Oh yeah, there should be another one that gives 100 to 110. Okay, so we know that green there is 2. And then lastly, 100 there is only 1. So 1. So what's my total? So you press your calculator, do a double check. Okay, 2, 3 and 1. That's 34. So something is missing. It's okay, let's double check. Alright, the one that I'm circling for 50 to 60 is 3, yes. 60 to 70 is the one in yellow. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, correct? 70 to 80, okay, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, sorry, there should be 12. Okay, so, sorry, this one should be 1. So which means your total frequency should be 35 here. Okay, they ask you to draw a histogram to actually illustrate this data. Okay, so things that I want you to include in your histogram, alright, you must include your frequency. So frequency, and then you must include your range. Okay, sorry, this one should be frequency, this one should be your range. Alright, so you would have, okay, you have 50, 50 onwards. Okay, so you have 50, okay, x to 60, and then I will also have, okay, let me extend this because I foresee this to be quite long. Okay, I'll have 60 to 70, I have 70 to 80, I have 80 to 90, okay, then I have 90 to 100, and then 100 to 110. Okay, so this is my range. Alright, so how will I actually show my range? I won't just write it as range, I'll write the units, which is the amount spent, okay, in X dollars. Okay, then this will be a frequency. So this will be 1, 2, all the way. So you just bring all the way, huh? Alright, now from 2 to 50 to 60, you know that this is, okay, 50, you have 60 here. No, I'm just writing that so that you have a clearer idea. So 50 to 60, there is 2. Okay, 60 to 70. Alright, 70 here, you would have 9. So there's a shoot up. 70 to 80. Okay, 70 to 80, that's 12. So that's even higher. You have 80 to 90. Alright, that gives you 2 again. You have 90 to 100. Sorry, this one should be 8. Okay, this one should be 8 over here. Then there is another 2 here, and then there is a 1 here. Can you see? Okay, so you see I have 100, and then I have 110. So from here, you'll be able to see the range. Alright, now part 3. State the class interval with the fewest, state the class interval with the fewest family. I think what they're trying to say here, okay, is they're trying to say what is the interval with the fewest spendings. Yeah, correct, fewest spendings. Alright, okay, so the interval would be 100 is to X is to 110. Okay, then the last one, which is IV. Alright, families which spend more than $80 were given a chance to participate in a lucky draw. If a family is selected, find the probability that the family selected is eligible. Okay, so it is more than 80. Do you consider 80? No. Okay, so now this is a little bit of a tricky part because more than 80 over here, ma. Alright, so what will you have would be, this is lesser than 80, more than $80. Okay, is there any that considers as 80? Yes, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 580. So out of this particular frequency, there is only 3 that is not 80. It is 80 and above. Okay, so what will I do is I'll take 3. Probability that it is eligible, okay, would be 3 plus 2 plus 1 over a total of 35. So that will give me 6 over 35. Okay, so that will be your probability. Alright.